Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dan Tactics, and today we're going to be going over my full 2024 trading results. So, I started trading for the first time last year. My first ever trade was placed around, it was like towards the end of August, but like the first ever time I sat down in front of the screen for like a trading video or watching anything was at the beginning of August. So, regardless, let's go into some of these stats and let's get those pulled up here. So, this is in September 2024. This is when I first started. A lot of this month wasn't journaled. I forgot literally like half this month's history. Regardless, it wasn't good. It wasn't great. We weren't doing that good. We definitely took a lot more losses than just three. Regardless, at this point we were just paper trading, and then I've been asked this like a million times, and I've been seeing it in my comments over and over again, and that's if you should paper trade. I'm like, yes, absolutely. You guys should paper trade for at least 3 months minimum before you even look to place a trade on a live account. So I literally paper traded. This was my first full month. A lot of the days I do remember I was taking 2, even 3 trades. I don't do that at all anymore. That is very rare. So a lot of stuff has even changed from back then. I've made so much progress. Bro, I could literally click on one of these trades and bro, I'll show you how garbage it is. Like, let's take a look at this. Like, these trades that we were placing were not... These like we're targeting just that most recent high. I mean, it worked out, like it played out, but that's literally the one trade of the day. Like, weekly record 2-1. All right, whatever, bro. All right, regardless, let's move into the next month. Obviously, we have the full combined record here. We have the full P&L. This is everything. So when I get asked the question, have I made $1 yet from trading? No. But I'm going to show you boys something that happened at the end of last month that was pretty good. But I want to continue, and I want to show you a good example of a month that you want to have before you make it on a live account as well. And that was something that I'm able to provide. So over here in October, this was one of my better paper trading months. As you guys see, we were absolutely cooking until we started getting near that November price action. The reason why this price action was a little bit slower is because the elections were coming up, so I was already like kind of a little bit skeptical on the markets, but like I was taking a lot of losses, I remember here. But again, these trades were not that quality yet either. Like, what is this, bro? This is a terrible, I mean, I don't even know why I would trade this. Why would I even go to the upside here? Regardless, I don't know. I don't remember what I put. I do remember I probably made videos about this. There are videos on my YouTube channel. This definitely out about like these certain trades. I do remember this trade. This trade we were in for a while. I do remember that. Jeez. Regardless, let's go in November 2 now. November is when we started live trading. So we started live trading in the middle of November, and right at the start of it, I messed up. I ended up going on NQ oversizing, and then literally ended up like, bro, dude, I swear the market moved three pips, and I was down $82, and then I was out of that trade, and then also on this day, the market did the exact same thing. It just went the other way, dude. I just messed up my sizes. So I stopped doing that. And then over here, this was like my first like real win. But at the same time, I think this was also messed up because $21 and that's my take profit. Yep. So see, this is when I was making a mistake. I didn't know how to set my stop loss or my take profit yet because I just switched to the live account and I wasn't able to drag it. Now I know what this is. I have this written out here on my desk, like my buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit. Regardless, I'm not gonna have that issue again, but I was having that problem before, so I was literally closing out of my positions early. My dog's barking, but he's not being that loud, so I don't really care. Now let's get into December. December is quite an interesting month, because at the start of it we were going pretty strong. Like, I'm not gonna lie. We were rolling. I mean, we were taking losses, but that's expected. I do want to go over this loss. I do remember this. Like, some trades were just forced. They weren't really smart entries. We weren't really combining stuff with liquidity sweeps. And I started to get drawn away from my strategy a little bit. And I'm not going to lie, this is the point where I think I had to go through where I was losing. Like this week, probably about $70 itself. I'm not too mad about it because I went back. Towards the end of last month, when we started paper trading at the end, literally look at what happened. 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. We literally ended up winning 5 trades in a row to close out last month, and then we ended up winning an extra one on top of that at the start of this month. But regardless, I mean, I don't really like care, bro, because I honestly I went back, I rechecked on my strategy. I made sure that the liquidity sweep was there, and I made sure that break of structure was there. And literally, it has been working wonders. So I'm gonna just try to keep it going right now. I mean, I didn't expect to be profitable within 6 months of trading. Like that is not very realistic. It's been 5 months now, but it's still not very realistic to think that I will be able to be profitable within 6 months. Most people it takes a little bit longer, a little up to a year, but I mean that's the full 2024 trading record as well. 28, 23, and 5, 54% win rate. Like I said, it's not bad, but I mean at the same time we do got a lot of progress to make. And then again, like I said, I think I've been trading a lot better as of late, so I'm really excited to get going into this year. And I think January maybe we could start seeing some results. So if you guys are new to the channel and you guys do want to see what happens on this channel continuing, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I do also have a free Discord. If you guys want to ask any questions, you guys could always join that. And then I mean that's about it. I mean there's not much. I mean we're going back to the live account next week. We're done paper trading because of the holiday PA. I really wish I didn't paper trade, or I would be able to make this video and I would be able to answer a couple of these questions differently. Definitely going to be considering trying to get a funded account. That's definitely something that I need. So, yeah. Other than that, see you boys in the next one.